All Hands on Deck by Marilyn Easton. The harbor is filled with ships. The ship is busy. The sailors have to unload the ship before it departs. A sailor is mopping the deck. Watch out, the deck is wet! The captain steers the ship. He will make sure it goes where it needs to. A sailor looks out at the water. He sees a scuba diver. He also sees a windsurfer. The windsurfer does a cool trick. Oh no! The windsurfer is heading towards some rocks. All hands on deck! The captain yells. The windsurfer is getting closer to the rocks. The captain gives the sailors their orders. They will go help the windsurfer. The sailers find the windsurfer. They throw a lifesaver. Dude, that was close, said the windsurfer. Next time I'll be sure to stay clear on those rocks, said the windsurfer. Thanks for the hand. The end.
Can you think of a time that we need each other?
Yeah. Like when I was in a swimming pool, I didn't realize it was deep water, so I cannonballed in and I almost drowned. My dad saved me.